So here we are at day 10, and I'm going to talk for a moment about your travel journal itself. This is watercolor paper, so it's good and durable. This is one that I started using this year about hiking. So 2022 hiking, we went down to Rock Creek to do a little bit of gold panning. I saw a little dead fish on the side, so a little quick sketch of that. Took grandkids out gold panning, so a little description there and a little vignette watercolor of the creek that we panned for gold in. So this is about 5 inches by 7 inches. It's got 15 pages. So, be easy on yourself. Start with small page count, anywhere from kind of 15 to 20, maybe 30 pages at the most. A little rubber band to hold it all together, or use those bulldog clips. And watercolor paper, the nice thing about it is that it's durable. You can paint on it, you can write on it, all kinds of things. So there you go. So add that to your kit. That's day 10 for your travel journal kit. There you go. Lightweight, cost effective.